exposing the mystery in matter. I will show you how nuclear physics shapes our world in ways you never imagined. From the smallest particles to the vastness of the universe, nuclear physics is the key to understanding the fundamental principles that govern everything around us. It's a field that not only unravels the mysteries of matter, but also paves the way for groundbreaking technologies and innovations. Imagine a world where we can harness the power of the atom to create new forms of energy, develop advanced medical treatments, and even explore the far reaches of space. The possibilities are truly endless. Nuclear physics is the study of the tiny particles at the heart of atoms. These particles, such as protons and neutrons, are held together by powerful forces that scientists strive to understand. By studying these forces and particles, we can gain insights into the very fabric of the universe. Imagine being able to peer into the core of an atom and see the building blocks of all matter. It's like having a magnifying glass that reveals the hidden structure of everything we see and touch. This understanding allows us to manipulate these particles in ways that can lead to incredible advancements in technology and science. It's like unlocking the secrets of the universe, one particle at a time. Each discovery in nuclear physics brings us closer to understanding how the universe works. For instance, particle accelerators, which are massive machines that propel particles to high speeds and smash them together, allow scientists to observe the fundamental interactions that occur at the smallest scales. These experiments can reveal new particles and forces, shedding light on the origins of the universe and the nature of reality itself. The data collected from these experiments is meticulously analyzed, leading to new theories and models that explain the behavior of matter and energy. So, why is it important? The importance of nuclear physics extends far beyond academic curiosity. It has practical applications that impact our daily lives in profound ways. By understanding the principles of nuclear physics, we can develop technologies that improve our quality of life, enhance our understanding of the natural world, and address some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. For example, nuclear physics has led to the development of nuclear power, which provides a significant portion of the world's energy needs. It has also contributed to advancements in medical imaging and treatment, allowing doctors to diagnose and treat diseases more effectively. Well, nuclear physics powers the sun, which means it powers life on Earth. The sun, our primary source of energy, operates on the principles of nuclear fusion. In the core of the sun, hydrogen nuclei fuse together to form helium, releasing vast amounts of energy in the process. This energy radiates outwards, providing the light and heat necessary for life to thrive on our planet. Without nuclear fusion, the sun would not shine, and Earth would be a cold, lifeless rock. This process of fusion is not only crucial for the sun, but also holds potential for future energy sources on Earth, as scientists work to replicate fusion reactions in a controlled environment. But it doesn't stop there. The applications of nuclear physics are incredibly diverse and far-reaching. From generating electricity to advancing medical treatments, nuclear physics plays a crucial role in many aspects of modern life. It's a field that continues to drive innovation and push the boundaries of what's possible. For instance, nuclear reactors are used to generate electricity in a clean and efficient manner, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and helping to combat climate change. In the medical field, nuclear physics has led to the development of advanced imaging techniques and treatments that save lives every day. It's used in medicine to treat cancer. One of the most significant medical applications of nuclear physics is in radiation therapy. By using high-energy radiation to target and destroy cancer cells, doctors can treat tumors with precision and effectiveness. This approach has saved countless lives and continues to be a vital tool in the fight against cancer. Additionally, nuclear physics has led to the development of advanced imaging techniques such as PET scans and MRI, which allow doctors to diagnose and monitor diseases with remarkable accuracy. These technologies have revolutionized the field of medicine, providing doctors with the tools they need to detect and treat diseases early, improving patient outcomes. In energy to generate electricity, nuclear power plants harness the energy released from nuclear fission reactions to produce electricity. These plants provide a significant portion of the world's energy supply, offering a reliable and low-carbon alternative to fossil fuels. By splitting the nuclei of heavy atoms like uranium, nuclear reactors generate heat, which is then used to produce steam that drives turbines and generates electricity. This process is highly efficient and can produce large amounts of energy from relatively small amounts of fuel. The development of nuclear power has been a game changer in the quest for sustainable energy solutions, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. And even in archaeology to date, ancient artifacts. Nuclear physics techniques, such as carbon dating, allow scientists to determine the age of ancient objects with remarkable precision. By measuring the levels of certain isotopes in organic materials, archaeologists can piece together the history of human civilization and gain insights into the lives of our ancestors. This method has revolutionized the field of archaeology, providing a powerful tool for understanding the past. The ability to accurately date artifacts has led to new discoveries and a deeper understanding of human history, shedding light on how our ancestors lived and interacted with their environment. Imagine a world without nuclear physics. No MRI scans, no carbon dating, and no nuclear power. Fascinating, right? The absence of nuclear physics would mean the loss of many technologies and advancements that we often take for granted. Medical imaging, which relies on the principles of nuclear physics, has become an indispensable part of modern healthcare. Without it, diagnosing and treating diseases would be far more challenging. Similarly, the ability to date ancient artifacts has transformed our understanding of history, allowing us to uncover the secrets of the past. The impact of nuclear physics is all around us, from the electricity that powers our homes to the scientific discoveries that shape our understanding of the world. So next time you see a light bulb or think about the age of a fossil, remember, it's all thanks to nuclear physics. The impact of nuclear physics is all around us, from the electricity that powers our homes to the scientific discoveries that shape our understanding of the world. It's a field that continues to inspire and drive progress, reminding us of the incredible potential of human ingenuity and curiosity. The advancements made in nuclear physics have not only improved our quality of life, but have also opened up new avenues for exploration and discovery, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows? The journey of discovery in nuclear physics is far from over. There are still many unanswered questions and mysteries to unravel. By fostering a spirit of curiosity and exploration, we can continue to push the boundaries of knowledge and unlock new possibilities for the future. The field of nuclear physics is constantly evolving, with new discoveries and advancements being made every day. By staying curious and open-minded, we can continue to make progress and uncover new insights into the nature of the universe. Maybe you'll be the next to unlock the secrets of the universe. The future of nuclear physics holds endless potential, and the next groundbreaking discovery could come from anyone, anywhere. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or simply someone with a passion for science, your contributions could help shape the future of this fascinating field. So, embrace your curiosity, pursue your interests, and who knows what incredible discoveries await you on the horizon. The journey of discovery in nuclear physics is a never-ending adventure, and the next great breakthrough could be just around the corner.